Imagine you walk and the sun hot and all the bag by your back and broke your back. Imagine you just look and then you spot a seat and then you go for it.
Rock-a-bye, baby.
What a relief. Then boom.
Oh yeah.
We are there, so you would.
What mean by me there science but you come see that.
Imagine me seeing seed from way out there with me every bag.
Listen,
My youth arm here that.
listen to me now. You imagine too much. You have to imagine me there start talk and a man a walk past. Boom. And jump.
You good dog?
You see that? So you catch a game now? You catch a game now? You don't catch it?
Alright, watch out. Just get up out of me seat.
Hold on. Hear me I say now.
Just come out of me seat.
Hold on, man. Imagine we there start talk. The man just walk past. And boom! Step in a shit. You see that? Eh?
Dog.
You see that?
Just come out of me seat now, my youth.
You see that, don't it?
Yeah.
You see if you see that?
Mate, just get out of.
Hold on, man. Watch
Get
out,
up,
hold on, man. So watch out now, remember the man that drop right there, so?
Yeah.
Alright, remember a man just walk past and step in a shit.
Yeah.
So imagine the same man that drop right there, so, right?
Yeah.
I come from round, so. And boom! Drop in the same shit. You see that? You see that?
You see it?
The man rub shit in his face. What you call that? Stupidness.
Get up out of my seat, bad man. My foot a hurt me.
Hold on.
Get up out of my seat.
Hold on. What? Yo, one. You want to hear the last one? We have more. One. Just one. Imagine now. Yeah, imagine, right? Imagine. You there right there get angry. And boom! Someone slap you across the face.
Our boxing look well, dog.
One of my dopey friend. Hold on.
Dog, I get enough of this now, dog.
I just want to
Dog, get box me now, my youth.
I know me box here, one of my dopey friend, bad man. So imagine, me there start talk about boom this, and boom that, and boom perhaps not. And what? Imagine me there talk to you how long, you know? And boom, me never have no pants. Hold on.
I'm tear you out.
Hold on, just easy, just underpants. Hold on, you know we underpants.
I'm tear you out.
Hold on, watch out.
You know how long me there, sir?
Hold on. Wait, come on, hold on. Leg off a minute. So imagine you there say you want to choke me, you want to kill me. And boom. Run.
Boom, you don't know a general represent for Contest the Waters. You don't know our party, June the 23rd. Wishpa, Jewsland, Valentine's Crescent. People, remember, June the 23rd. Get there.